I call it hot chocolate cake combo. Very simple and easy recipe. It tastes so amazing. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another interesting one. So let's begin. In a mixing bowl, I'll be adding 200 grams of soft butter. To that, I added 1 cup of sugar. Now you can manually mix both together till they become fluffy, but I'll be using my electric mixer. I am going to beat both for about 5 minutes on high speed. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, after beating for about 5 minutes on high speed, this is what it looks like. You can see that the color has changed. Alright, now I added a cup of vanilla flavor. I'll be using 4 eggs. First, I added the 2 first egg. Alright, I am going to mix to combine very well. Now I added the remaining 2 eggs. I will also mix to combine very well. We are going to be taking it gradually. Alright. Okay, after adding the eggs, I mix again in order to make sure that everything is well combined. Alright, it is time to sift in all-purpose flour. I am using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. First, I move in with 1 cup of flour, then I added half cup of milk. I am using 1 cup of milk, so I added the first half. Alright, now I am going to gently mix. Okay, once that is done, I am going to sift in the remaining 1 cup of flour. Remember, I said I am using 2 cups. Alright, now once I add the remaining flour, I add a baking powder and a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to add the remaining milk. Alright, once that is done, I will gently mix. Please check the description box for the list of the ingredients and the measurements. I will also drop the list at the comment section. The list will be pinned down at the comment section. Alright, okay, I continue to mix till everything is well combined. Okay, now this is what the batter looks like. It looks really good. It turned out so well. Okay, now at this point you can go ahead and bake the cake, but remember we are making hot chocolate combo. Now in a separate bowl, I am going to take out about 1.5 cup of the cake batter. Alright, now you can see the remaining one. It is time to move in with unsweetened cocoa powder. Alright, this is not chocolate, this is unsweetened cocoa powder. Once I add the cocoa powder, I am going to add some milk for easy mixing. I will not be using the electric mixer to mix. I will manually mix using the method that we call in a catering word cut and fold. Cut and fold. If you are with me at this moment, type cut and fold. Beautiful shout out to you, Rosemary, watching from Abuja, Mariana from Tanzania, Monica from Ghana, Sarah watching from Bangladesh, and Christine all the way from England. Whoops. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? Alright, now we are done cutting and folding. Make sure that everything is well combined. It is time to transfer into the baking pan. My baking pan, I lay a parchment paper on it. If you don't have a parchment paper, please grease your pan very well with butter or margarine, depending on the one that you are using. Alright, now I move in with half of the chocolate one. Let me call it chocolate this time around. I hope you understand what is going on here. Yeah, I added the first half, then I move in with the plain one. That is the one we set aside earlier, all right? Make sure that you spread it to be in the same shape with your baking pan, okay? Very important. Now I move in with the last chocolate mix. The one that we added cocoa powder, all right? Make sure that you dress very well before baking. Everything is ready now. It is time to bake. Bake in a preheated oven for 60 minutes. And there you have it. Look at that. It turned out so well. Now I am going to take it out of the pan. The cake is still very hot at this moment. Go ahead and take out the parchment paper, and there you have it. Although we have a little burn, the dark spot that you are looking at was a little burn. It is normal, not too bad, all right? You can go ahead and enjoy at this moment, but I dusted with sugar powder just to give it more appetizing look. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. It is a moment of sharing. I open it, and this is what the inside looks like. Mamma mia. Look at that. Should in case anyone asks you what is the name of this cake, simply tell the person hot chocolate cake combo. Go ahead and enjoy. Serve and enjoy. It tasted so good. It came out so well. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.